See, look, he's blue now. Aww. You take your little babies. Peliquita knows I'm recording. It just looks so cute. Look, it's a Peliquito baby. It's okay, Peliquito. It's okay. See, Mommy's on the way. Aw, I'm so hungry. Eat the Peliquita. There's another baby, so there's two babies. This is the oldest, and his name is Peliquito Jr. And he's really cute. I want my fun. La la la, tweet, tweet, birds. Yeah, what did Peliquita say? What baby is it? Looks like Peliquito baby. It's definitely not the Peliquita, because there's two babies that look really like photocopies. So that's like a Peliquito photocopy. Ah, look, the foot. Ah, look at his Budgie foot. Look, it's coming out. It's trying to come out. It's coming out. Ah, nope. You could do it, Peliquito. You could do it. What do you say? You could do it. You can come out, my baby bird. Give me the zooms. The zoom close up. Little Peliquita and the lettuce. And then the baby bird. Let's get closer to the baby bird. This is the baby bird. I don't know if it's the Peliquita photocopy or the Peliquito photocopy. I think it's the Peliquito one. Oh no, it's the Peliquita photocopy. See? If you can look closely, the feathers are kind of light blue. And those feathers, so that means that this birdie is the photocopy of this birdie. So this is Peliquita Jr. And finally is taking out her head. Her or his head, I don't know. Oh, you're tired. Oh, Budgie. Why is Peliquita just hanging there? Peliquita! What do you say? Aw, look at his face. Yeah. Peliquita. Look at the Peliquita Jr. The other one's inside. And the other one is a Peliquito Jr. It's like pretty much a photocopy. Look at the face. Look at my Peliquito over there. Hi, Mommy. Look at my baby foot. Look at my piggy. Ah, jingle-bingle-me. Ah, jingle-bingle-me. Asking for foods. He wants foods. It's okay, Peliquita. Good girl. She's a good mommy. Ugh, I saw that slime. The vomit. Okay, okay. Okay, say bye. Say bye. Goodbye.